In today's video, I'll be showing you how to uninstall Easy Anti-Cheat from your Windows 11 PC or laptop. But just be warned, if you do uninstall Easy Anti-Cheat, then you will not be able to play the game that you're uninstalling it for online, as Easy Anti-Cheat is there to protect everyone from hackers, cheaters and stuff like that, to make the game a lot more fun. So to uninstall Easy Anti-Cheat, first you need to go to the games directory that has Easy Anti-Cheat. So I'm going to use Fortnite as the first example in this video. So as you can see, I'm now in the Fortnite folder and I've gone to binaries, Win64 and then there's an Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Once you're in the Easy Anti-Cheat folder, you would then see an Easy Anti-Cheat setup file. You need to open up this file and it will then select the game. So as you can see, it says current. You then need to press uninstall. And this is now uninstalled Easy Anti-Cheat for Fortnite. That is how you uninstall Easy Anti-Cheat through the games folder. However, there is another way you can do this, and that's by going to your program files. So if you open up the C drive and then open up program files x86, you will then see an Easy Anti-Cheat folder. You need to open up this folder and then double click on Easy Anti-Cheat. You then need to select the game that you want to uninstall Easy Anti-Cheat for. So I'm going to use Apex Legends as the example. So now I've selected Apex Legends, I can click on uninstall. And there we go, it's now removed Easy Anti-Cheat for Apex Legends. If I also go down to Fortnite, you will then see that it's still removed for Fortnite as well. So that is how you uninstall Easy Anti-Cheat in Windows 11. If you do decide you want to install Easy Anti-Cheat again, then you need to go back to the games folder, find the Easy Anti-Cheat folder, open up the setup file and then click on install. I will pop a link in the description below as well to a video that I've just done on how to install Easy Anti-Cheat for your games. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe if you want to see more computer sluggish videos.